Hi, this is Paige with SEAF, and we are doing one of our toy or product reviews for a STEM toy. And in this case, we are doing MEL Chemistry Kits, which can be ordered online and come as a subscription. They're really cool and a great way to get kids interested in STEM. At this point, we're ready to look at the amethyst and see what's happened. After we heated it up, it changed colors. One was still purple, one was clear, and one was yellow. And it actually split into 3 pieces. So what do you think of this experiment?
It was fun, and it was kind of cool how the amethyst lost its color when it was heated up.
Is this science?
Yes, it is.
What kind of science is it?
Chemistry.
And do you think this is kind of cool?
Yes, it is.
Did you learn a lot?
Yes, I did.
Awesome.